Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses east, central Illinois, parts of Indiana, northern Kentucky, most of Ohio, northern West Virginia, tiny bit of northern Virginia, northern Maryland, northern Delaware, a tiny bit of western New Jersey, and most of Pennsylvania, including my area. Cities in today's slate include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio for the slight risk. And there's a marginal today covering parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, northern Ohio, parts of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, central Delaware, most of New Jersey, and northern Pennsylvania. Cities in today's marginal include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Akron, Ohio, and Arlington, Virginia. I think I mentioned this area included Washington, D.C. too. Yeah, Washington, D.C. is included. Yeah, so going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central Illinois, parts of Indiana, far north central Kentucky, parts of Ohio, northern West Virginia, the Maryland Panhandle, and parts of Pennsylvania. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Dayton, Ohio. Go to the wind threat for today. There is a 15% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses east central Illinois, parts of Indiana, northern Kentucky, most of Ohio, northern West Virginia, a tiny bit of northern Virginia, northern Maryland, northern Delaware, a little bit of western New Jersey, and most of Pennsylvania, including my area. The 15% wind risk area today include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And there is a 5% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, parts of Ohio, parts of West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, central Delaware, most New Jersey, and northern Pennsylvania. The 5% wind risk area today includes Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Akron, Ohio, and Arlington, Virginia. And now to today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today covering east central Illinois, parts of Indiana, northern Kentucky, most of Ohio, northern West Virginia, a tiny bit of northern Virginia, northern Maryland, northern Delaware. I think I mentioned most of Ohio too. Northern Delaware and most of Pennsylvania, including my area. The 15% hail risk area today includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today covering parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, parts of Ohio, parts of West Virginia, northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, parts of Delaware, western New Jersey, and parts of Pennsylvania. The 5% hail risk area today includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Akron, Ohio. I think I mentioned Washington, D.C. in here too. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Really? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter. Alright? So that's the black dashed area. So, yeah. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area. Alright? But the highest potential for the 2 inch in diameter hail or larger is in the black dashed area. Alright? So, areas outside the black dashed area, still in the hail risk, could still see hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. And there may be an isolated area outside the black dashed area that could see 2 inch in diameter hail. Alright? But again, the black dashed area has that highest potential for 2 inch in diameter hail or larger. Cities in the black dashed area today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Akron, Ohio. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms appear likely this afternoon and evening across parts of the Ohio Valley into the mid-Atlantic. Large to very large hail and damaging winds should be the main threats, but a tornado or two may also occur. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. So, I may not be able to have my day 2 outlook video today because I'm working on a project for school. I'm going to see if XPC can fill in for me for day 2. So, anyway, stay safe today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.